Hello students, we are going to continue the chapter number line. In the last session we have started this chapter and we will continue this chapter in this session, and this is the second part. So in the last session or in the previous session we have learned that what is number line and how to represent the numbers on the number line, how to represent the natural number, how to represent the whole number, and how to represent any integer on the number line. So today we are going to learn that how to add the numbers using number line. Okay, in the last session we have understood about the number line, that how to draw, how to label the numbers, and after that how to represent the numbers, all type of numbers like natural number, whole number, and integers. Okay, how to represent these numbers on the number line we have understood. So today we are going to continue, or we are going to learn a new thing, and that is addition of whole numbers using number line. And after addition we will learn that how to subtract. About the subtraction of numbers also we will learn that how to subtract the numbers using number line. So let's start. So a number line, as it is written, that a number line can be used for addition and subtraction of the numbers. Obviously a number line can be used for the addition and subtraction both, and in spite of this it can be used for the multiplication also. Okay, but in this chapter we will learn about the addition and subtraction only. So for addition of the numerals, what to do, that addition of positive number to a positive number, it means two numbers, for the addition of two numbers, and both the numbers, if both the numbers are positive numbers, then what to do. Okay, at first we will learn that addition of positive number to the positive number. Okay, it means both the numbers are positive, and both numbers have to be added on the number line. Like example, for example, plus 2 and plus 3, two numbers, two positive numbers have been taken, plus 2 and plus 3, and these two numbers we have to add on the number line. Then what to do. So first of all, plus 2 is counts 2 units. So plus 2, for representing plus 2, what will we do, plus 2 we will count. So from where we count from, we start from what, 0. So at first starting from 0 we will go to 2 units, because to the number 2 plus 2 we have to add plus 3. So at first we will go to plus 2. Okay, so at first we will what will we do, for plus 2 we will count it 2 units to the right of 0, because the right side for the positive signs. Okay, because this is positive numbers, obviously we will move towards right, we will not move towards left, because towards left of the 0, okay, to the left of 0 negative numbers are there, but here plus 2 is the positive number, so we will move towards right of the number 0 and 2 steps, because 2 is there. Okay, and after that what will you do, that then for plus 3, we have to add. So then for plus 3 we will move 3 units to the right of plus 2. At first we will come to plus 2, okay, and again we will come, okay, we will move towards right of plus 2. How many units, 3 units, because we have to add 3. So we will move 3 units to the right of 2. This is 2, and from here 1 2 3, so 3 comes here. Okay, 3 units we will move towards this. So it ends at 5, it ends at 5. So wherever we reach at last, then that will be the answer, that will be the sum of the two numbers. So at first we have moved 2 units towards right, and again we have moved 3 units, because we have to add 3. So 3 units we have moved, and after that at last we have reached at 5. So 5 is the answer. So 2 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to plus 5. Okay, as it is written here, plus 5, or plus 5 can be written 5, simply 5 also we can write, because we know that if no symbol is there before any number, then that is the positive number. Okay, we write 5 or plus 5 or simply 5, both are same, both are positive only. So I hope that you have understood that how to add positive number to a positive number. When both the numbers will be positive, then how to add. Now we'll move to the next topic, addition of a positive number to a negative number. It means one positive number and one negative number will be there, then how to add. So for example, here we have taken the numbers plus 3 and minus 3. These two numbers we have to add. If we will add these two numbers, then what will be the sum of these two numbers? One positive and one negative number is there. Then at first what will we do? This is the first number plus 3, so at first we will move 3 units to the right of 0 because this is the positive number, so we will move towards right of 0. Okay, to the right of 0. How many units? 3 units, because the number 3 is there, so we have reached at 3. Now what will we do? We have to add negative number, so for the addition of the negative number we will move towards left. Okay, for the positive number we will move towards right when we will have to add the positive number, and when we will have to add the negative number then we will move towards left. So at first we have come to 3. Okay, 3 units towards right of the 0, and again we will move towards left. How many units? How many units we will move? 3 to 4. How many units? Actually 4 we have to add, so we will move 4 units towards left. How many units? 4 units. If here it would be 5, then 5 units we would move towards left. Okay, so we have to add 4 minus 4, so we will move towards left 4 units, not 5, 4 units, because we have to add 4. So we have here, we are here plus 3, then we are here, and now we will move towards left 1 2 3 4. So 4 units comes here. Okay, when we will move towards left 4 units, then it stops at here minus 1. We reach here minus 1. After moving 4 units towards left, we reached at minus 1. So this is the result. Okay, this is the result. Minus 1 will be the answer of this. Plus 3 plus minus 4. When we will get the sum of plus 3 and minus 4, then we will get minus 1. So this is the answer. I hope that you understood. Whenever we will have to add a negative number, then we will move towards left. Okay, now the addition of negative number to a positive number. When the first number will be negative and then second number positive, then how to add the positive number to the negative number? Very simple it is. At first what will you take? Minus 4. At first minus 4 is there, so at first we'll move towards left. Minus then obviously negative numbers lies on the left side of 0, so we will move left side of 0. How many units? 4 units. So 1 2 3 4, 4 units we have moved. At minus 4 we have come. Okay, we have moved towards left of 0 4 units, because minus 4 is there, then 4 units, then we have reached at minus 4. Now we have to add positive number. Whenever we'll have to add positive number, then we'll go towards left. Very simple. How to keep in mind that positive then move right side, negative then move left side. So we have to add positive number, so again we will start moving towards right. Positive number we have to add, so towards right we will move. How many steps? How many units we will move? 3 we have to add, so 3 units we will move. So we are here at minus 4, then 3 units will move. So after minus 4, here 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit. So 3 units we have no moved, then we have reached at minus 1. Where we have reached? At minus 1. So final place, this is the what? At last we have moved, we have reached at minus 1. When we have moved 3 units, then we have reached at minus 1. So this is the answer. So this is what will be the answer? Minus 1. When we will add minus 4 plus 3, then the answer will be minus 1. That's why you can see here minus 4 plus 3 is equal to minus 1. So very simple it is that first decide the first you go to the first number whatever is given, and again you move towards right or left according to the number. If the number is second number is positive, then move towards left. If second number is negative, then move towards left. Okay, if the positive number is there, second number is positive, then move towards right. And if the number is negative, second number is negative, then move towards left. Now the point number 4 is there, that addition of negative number to a negative number. So we have learned till now that addition of positive number and a positive number means both the numbers will be positive, and then we have learned that one positive and one negative, then we have learned that one negative, one positive. Now we will learn that how to add one positive number to a positive number. It means both the numbers will positive I am saying, sorry, negative number to a negative number. Okay, addition of a negative number and a negative number. When both the numbers will be negative, then how to add? So very simple it is. We'll look at the first number, that is -2. Just move to the number -2. It is the negative number. Obviously we will move towards left of 0, towards left of 0, 2 steps toward left of 0. So from we'll start from 1 and we will move towards left of 0, then 1 2. So we have reached at -2. Okay, so -2 here we have reached. Now what will we do? We have to add negative number, and we know that for the addition of negative number we will move towards left. What? For the addition of the negative number we will move towards left. So again we will move towards left. How many steps? 4 steps, because -4 we have to add. So 4 steps will move towards left. So we are here now. 4 steps, 1 2 3 4. So we have reached at here, this number -6. We have reached at -6 after moving 4 steps. Okay, we have reached at -6. So this will be the answer. What will the answer? -6. So the sum of -2 and -4 will be -6. Okay, so very simple it is that first reach to the first number, and after that you see that second number. If the second number is positive, then move towards left. If it is positive, if it is negative, then move towards left. Sorry, here I have said left, I think. If a positive is there, then move towards right. Okay, if the positive number, second number is positive, then move towards right, and if the second number is negative, okay, then move towards left. Very simple it is. Now for the subtraction of the numbers, how to subtract the numbers. We have learned that how to add. Now we will learn that how to subtract. To subtract a given number from another number, what will you do? That mark the two given numbers. Whatever numbers are given, both the numbers we will mark on the number line, each starting from 0. Each starting from 0. We will learn with the example. Find out how many steps are needed to reach the position of first number from the position of the second number. First we will mark the two numbers on the number line. Suppose that this is the number line, and we will mark two numbers. Suppose this is 2 and this is 6. Okay, we will mark both the numbers, and after that we will count the number of steps, that how many steps we will have to move. Okay, from the second number, we will move to the first number. Okay, and we will count the number of steps, and that will be the answer. Let us understand through the example. Suppose that we have to subtract this. Okay, we have to solve this. We have to subtract 2 from 6. Okay, plus 6 minus plus 2. It means we have to subtract 2 from plus 6. Okay, so what will we do? We will mark both the numbers, plus 6 and plus 2. So here plus 2 and plus 3 have been marked. Now from the second number we will start. We will start counting the number of steps, that how many steps are there. Okay, the difference of the steps here. So here we will start moving from the second number. We will start moving from the second number. Okay, here the first number is plus 6 and second number is plus 2. So from the plus 2 we will start moving towards the first number. So plus 2 is here, and okay, second number is here. So from the second number we will start moving towards the first number. So second number is plus 2, so we will start from plus 2 and we will move towards plus 6. So we will count the number of steps. So we will move towards right. Okay, from the second number is 2. So from the second number we will start moving towards the first number. So how many steps are there? 1, let me show you, 1 2 3 and 4. So we have reached now to the first number, and how many steps has it taken? 4 steps. How many steps? 4 steps it has taken to reach to the first number. So 4 will be the answer. What will be the answer? Answer will be 4. So plus 6 minus plus 2 will be 4. So very easy it is. First mark both the numbers on the number line, then start moving from the second number. We will start from the second number and we will move towards the first number. Okay, and we will count the number of steps. That will be the answer. So answer we have got 4. And now we will talk about the sign, that which sign, what will be the sign of the result. Positive, that will be positive number, or negative number. So one thing, if we will move If we are moving towards the right, then the sign will be positive. Okay, if we will move towards right, then sign will be positive. If we will move towards left, then sign will be negative. If we move towards right, then sign will be positive. If we will move towards left, then sign will be negative. Okay, I hope that you understood. So here we were moving towards right, that's why the sign will be positive. So plus 4 will be the answer. If we would have moved towards left, then sign would have what? Negative, sorry, negative. So let's take another example to understand better. Now we have to subtract what? We have to subtract minus 3 from plus 5. Okay, we have to subtract minus 3 from plus 5. So we will mark both the numbers, plus 5 and minus 3. So minus 3 is here, we have marked. First we will draw the number line and we will label the numbers, and after that we will mark both the numbers. Then minus 3 has been marked and then plus 5 has been marked. Now we will start moving from the second number, and second number is minus 3. So we will start from minus 3. We will move towards the number, second number, that first number, minus 5. Okay, so we will count the number of steps, 1 2 3, like this you will move and you will reach here, and you see that 8 steps you have moved. How many steps? 8 steps. So we will write 8, and we have moved towards right, so it will be positive. Okay, if we will move towards right, then the answer will be positive, and if we will move towards left, then answer will be negative. If we will move towards left, then answer will be negative. Now let's take another example, that we have to evaluate this is the subtraction. We have to subtract plus 2 from minus 7. We have to subtract plus 2 from minus 7. So two numbers are there, minus 7 and plus 2. So both the numbers we will mark on the number line. Plus 2 has been marked and minus 7 has been marked. Now we will start from second number. We will start moving from second number, and second number is 2. So we will start from 2 and we will move towards the first number. Okay, so we will move towards the first number like this, and then you will see that 9 steps we have moved here to reach the first number. So we will write 9, and towards left we have moved. Okay, towards left, in the left direction we have moved, so answer will be negative. Minus sign we will put before the result. Okay, so this is the answer. So we have I hope that you have understood. If we will move towards right, then answer will be positive. If we will move towards left, then answer will be negative. Okay, towards left, towards right positive, towards left negative. Very simple it is. Now using a number line, find the integer which is 5 more than 2. 5 more than, whenever more than will be, then we will move towards left, because we know that in the previous classes we have learned that if more than, it means we will have to add more value. We have to get 5 more than 2. It means what? 2 plus 5. Okay, like this. So simply in one means simply we can understand that if more than, then we will move towards right. If less than, we will move towards left. So we will understand through the example. The first question is there. First question, 5 more than 2. 5 more than 2. So to get 5 more than 2, we will start from 2. Okay, with what it is it comparing? More than 2. So with 2 it is being compared. Okay, so we will start from 2. We will start from 2. So we will just put the pencil here, and then we will move 5 units to the right of 2. We have to add 5. We have to get the value 5 more. So we will move 5 steps. How many steps? 5 steps towards right, because we have to get the more value. Okay, 5 more than, then we will move towards right. So at first we will start from 2 and we will move towards right 5 units. So 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 units here, then we will move here, and we will indicate by putting the arrow that we have moved towards right direction. Okay, so what will the answer? 5 more than 2 is 7, because we have reached at the number 7. Now to get the value 3 less than 4, 3 less than 4, what will we do? We will start from 4, and less value we have to get, then we will move towards left. Okay, more than, then right, towards right, less than, then towards left. So how many steps we will move left side? 3 steps, because 3 less than we have to got. Okay, we have to get the value. So 1 2 3, 3 steps comes here. If we will move towards left 3 steps, then we will reach at the number 1. Okay, so the value will be, the answer will be 1. 3 less than 4 is 1. 3 less than 4 is 1. So I hope that you understood the addition and subtraction of the numbers on the number line. So now it is the time for the home assignment, homework. So you will do the exercise 7b. I hope that you are able to do all the questions, because everything has been explained in this session regarding exercise 7b. So all of you, bye, have a nice day.